What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, episode number 12 on an Acura TL Type S project. On the last episode, we have done some suspension work and a four-wheel alignment and making sure this car goes straight right down the street. What are we doing today?
And it doesn't matter how straight it's going if it doesn't look good. So we're starting the body shop department series of the build. So I'm finally going to be working on the car and making this look amazing. And we got some plans for it.
Right.
Tell us what we got going on.
So I think that on today's episode, what we first going to do is to remove the front and the rear bumper and the side skirt.
Yeah, headlights too, or?
And the headlights too.
Yeah.
And then I think some of your viewers have been asking about how to restore the headlights.
So that's going to be coming up, and that's something very basic they can even do at home. And it's not that hard. They can even buff them too. So I'll go over that in the video, on your video, and tell them what they do. And man, that really just puts it takes away years.
Absolutely.
Age, it just brings it right up, and it's a quick and effective modification that you can do.
Right.
So, yeah.
Well, we got a lot ahead of us, so let's get right to it.
Start.
All right, so to take out the front and rear bumper is pretty simple. A couple of clip removers, a Phillip, two of them, long and short, and also a 10 millimeters. Let's get right to it. One thing I do like to do is I like to put some silicone on these clips, because normally what happens is when you don't spray silicone on it and when you try to pop them, the upper portion just break away. So what I normally do would just get a little silicone here. It doesn't have to be Acura, it could be just any brand. Just spray a little bit on that, like so. Then all you have to do, push it in, pop it out.
Too easy.
Comes right out. The first clip is out. We got another one up on top here. A couple of screws on the side and a couple of bolts and clips on the bottom. The bumper should come right out. Yeah, and you know, as we take off those screws, you can run to Walmart. This is a great way to make sure you're not losing anything. Put the top on, it's good to go. It's not only for storing food. Now, you don't need a lift to do this, although it makes your life easier. Right. You can still get under it. But if you're gonna put the car on a jack, make sure you're using jack stands. Must.
That's very, very important, or even the ramps are good too.
Yes.
To have. Safety is always first,
priority.
number one.
Yes.
Yep. So let's go ahead and let's take off the rest of these and let's pop off this bumper and see what else we need to do to get the headlights out.
All right, so this underneath the bumper, 10 millimeter clips, a couple more over here, clips here, bolt, clips, and bolt should come right out.
All right, so all the clips and bolts have been removed. Now, all we have right now are some retainers. So underneath each headlight, there's something called a beam, and that beam has these little clips that the bumper actually clips into. And then we have a retainer spacer that is located over here. So right now, it's just clipped in, but not removable clips. We just have to give light pressure, and we have to make sure that we're careful that we don't break any of the clips on the actual bumper. So as we do it, we're gonna watch, and if we need to use a little screwdriver to depress any of the clips to push them down, that can help out as well. So let's go ahead and do that.
Once the bumper removed, all we gotta do is disconnect the connector for the fog light.
We can tell it's a OEM bumper. Has not been, it's not a new one because it doesn't have the R dot on it. Mike, let me pass you the clip remover in a second, and you can use that to remove the harness from the actual bumper.
Yep.
Go ahead and put this on our bumper stand.
All right, so the bumper's been removed. Take a look what we find.
You know, the funny thing is the bumper has not been replaced or anything. It doesn't have any damage that would mean that this would be damaged this much. So I think with the age and time, this is cracked and probably fallen through the bumper, because this is not from damage to beams.
I think it's coming apart.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna replace this piece.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah, they make them now. They're foam. They're a little bit more cushioned, but I guess the older ones, they came with just plastic.
Yeah.
But didn't hold up too long. But we'll replace it.
So one bumper's out, another one to go. So we're in the back bumper. It's pretty simple. Got a couple of bolts behind these covers here. A couple of screws on the side of the bumper, and a bunch of clips on the bottom. The bumper should come right out.
All the clips are removed, and we have those same type of retainers across the back here as we did in the front. So again, a gentle pull and I'll pop right off.
So the side skirt, all we have is a couple of screws on the front and the back, and it's just slide right out.
Yep.
First thing we're gonna do is get the door open. The screws on the side skirts are being out, the clips on the bottom have been taken out already. We're about to slide this off. Once the door is open, get back here, slight pull, come right out.
All right, so that one in the back, it slid backwards. Now this one slides forward. So as Mike pulls, I'm gonna give a little pump. Comes right off.
These clips here, a lot of people try to use a clip remover and fight it. All you have to do is just twist it, they come right out. Back up, back up.
Yeah, so we got those bumpers off, and for 12 years, your little chips with the silicone really helps remove the clips, and we got everything here. So in just a few weeks, when we go to put it all back together, we'll have everything nicely organized. So you're gonna see us now in the body shop. In our next episode, Mike, tell me about the headlights.
So on the next episode, we'll be doing a complete restoration with Brian. Brian will show us from start to finish how to completely restore these beautiful headlights. Hope you liked our videos. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and help us rebuild our community. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
See you guys.